Left-click on File in the toolbars, and then click New Part or press Ctrl+N. Enter the name you want to assign to the part if the default one does not satisfy you. The part design workbench is loaded and an empty CAT part document opens. Actually, designing a part from scratch first requires designing it. To open it, just click the sketcher icon and select the work plane of your choice. The Sketcher workbench then provides a large number of tools allowing you to sketch the profiles you need. Sketching profiles is performed in the Sketcher workbench, which is fully integrated into part design. Click Pad, and the Pad Definition dialog box appears and the application previews the pad to be created. Click OK, and the pad is created. The specification tree indicates that it has been created.